Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use custom CSS in GoHighLevel surveys with the help of ChatGPT. If you want to improve the look of your survey and make it stand out, this is the perfect way to do it. Let's dive in. Identify what needs styling. Create your survey in GoHighLevel and note which elements, like radio buttons or checkboxes, you want to customize. Take a screenshot or describe the changes you'd like.
So as you can see, I created a survey here and this looks pretty basic, right? This has a radio option. What type of cases do you have? The other radio option is your case being looked by an attorney? And then there are some basic fields, but I want the radio options to look a bit better. So I went to ChatGPT first of all and then said, write me some custom CSS for my survey. Currently the radio options look really basic and I need them to look like this one in the screenshot. So I just Googled vertical stacked answers. So I found this. And then
use ChatGPT for CSS generation. Head over to ChatGPT. Provide clear instructions like create custom CSS to style radio buttons with rounded corners and a blue gradient. Upload your survey's HTML if needed for ChatGPT to analyze.
And then I just took a screenshot of this and I just sent it to ChatGPT, said I want my radio options to look like this. And then I copied. I said, here's the survey code. So what I did is I just integrate, hit this, and then I just took view page source and I took the whole code and then I put it in ChatGPT. Sometimes it won't take it because the code may be too long. In that case, it won't accept your message. So what you need to do is you need to take the entire code and put it in an HTML file and then upload the file. ChatGPT can read your uploaded files as well. So do that if it doesn't do accept your code like that.
Apply the CSS to your survey. Go to GoHighLevel, Surveys, Custom CSS section. Paste the CSS code generated by ChatGPT. Save and preview to see the changes.
And then I put the entire code and this is what it gave me. Let's go to the first version. So this is what it gave me. So let's copy and paste it on my survey and see how it looks. So I put it and then it now looks like this, which is not bad, so this looks good, but I wanted it to look a bit more professional. So I went ahead and I said, can you apply a border radius of 32 pixels on each option and the gap between the options must be 8 pixels. So then I copied this one that it gave me and I just put it here. And after updating it, I reloaded it. And now as you can see, it works just the way I want it to work, And let me show you the rest of the conversation. So this is the next one. And then I said, apply a bluish gradient color on the option boxes and the gradient should reverse on hover or click. So if I hover over the options, the gradient should reverse. On click or active, the bluish gradient must be sky blue. So then I copied this that it generated for me. So this is like a back and forth conversation I had with ChatGPT to make it look like how I wanted it, right? So as you can see, it applied a bluish gradient and it reverses on hover. And if I click on it, I go to the next step. But if I go back and I can see that it's sky blue. So that means this is the option I selected. I can choose another one. In that case, this will change. But, if I go back, I can see which one I selected. So that's pretty cool. And finally, what I did is I said, add a hover row animation on the boxes with a smooth transition. So I finally copied this code. This is my final version and I updated it. And as you can see, this is my most updated code. So if I hover on it, it has a smooth transition that grows the options. And then if I select and hit previous, it says that this was selected and it looks a bit bigger. So that clearly indicates that this was my selected option. So that's
bonus tip. Want hover effects or animations? Just ask ChatGPT. You can get smooth transitions, color changes, and more in seconds. That's how easy it is to customize your surveys using ChatGPT and GoHighLevel. Try it out and watch your surveys look more professional and engaging. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.